What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. Today we have a case accessory video for the Moto G6 Play. Now we do have our normal lineup here from Tudia. We have the Tudia Merge case, and we also have the Tudia Arch S case. As I mentioned, for the Moto G6 Play. Let's go ahead and start with the Tudia Merge, one of their most popular line from Tudia. Now these cases are also available for other phones, G7, S9, pretty much any major phone out there. Tudia will make a case, so make sure you go and follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Links will be provided below in the description to this video to these cases here. Now, if for those who don't know the Tudia Merge, I'm pretty sure you guys all seen this case. It's a two-piece case, hard plastic shell on the outside, soft TPU on the inside. If you want to see it come apart, this is what we're talking about right here. On the inside, Tudia Merge, as you can see, there's their website, designed in US, made in China. Now, I love this matte black color here from Tudia. Looks very nice. On the inside, you have anti-drop protection, meaning you have this pattern here to absorb most of the damage. Along the edges as well, you got some cushion there, so if it lands on the corner, it's going to protect the phone from damage. Now let's go ahead and put the Moto G6 in here. Now you do have a clicky button design here, so you do get that satisfying clicky feeling and sound when pressing up or down on the volume rocker or turning your phone off and on with the power button. We do also have a finger rest design on the back of the phone where the fingerprint sensor is located. Now you do have this nicely kind of bezeled in or tapered in design on the back of the phone, so you can easily guide your finger to the fingerprint sensor, which is awesome. We do have a raised lip design on both the back around the camera to protect the camera lens from any scratches or damage, and as well as on the front. As you can tell, you can see that little lip raised there to protect your screen when laying your phone face down on a flat surface, which is awesome. All the cutouts are there and they're nicely placed. As you can see, your headphone jack mic there. On the bottom you have your charging cutout and another mic, and in the back you have your proper fingerprint and camera layout. Now look at this case here, it just looks freaking phenomenal. And you do have some anti-slip grip there on both the edges, on the right and the left side of the phone, so this gives you added grip and keeps your phone from slipping out of your hand. But I just love the way this matte black looks. Let's move on to the second case. Now this is your typical TPU polyurethane case here. They did send me two of the Arch S cases. They sent me a frosted case and a matte black one. Now both of these are the same case. Both of these offers some of the same features that most of the case offers, but just a different design. This one's adds a little bit of bulk to your phone, but not too much. Let's go ahead and pop this 2D case out. Now let's go ahead and insert this frost one here. Look at that, nice. Just looks banging on that Moto G6 Play. So you do get some of the same features here, just on the thinner profile, and you don't have the outer plastic shell on this one. You get the same clicky button satisfaction feeling on the buttons. You get your proper cutouts here on the back with the raised edge, and you do get this fingerprint rest design on the edges of the phone here. You get that anti-slip grip there on both sides of the phone. On the bottom you get your proper cutouts nicely placed, as well as the top, and you do have your raised lip protection there on the top. Let's go ahead and put the black one on, this matte black one, and see how it feels and looks. Now these cases here are both the same cases, so I just kind of went through it, but looks nice, very nice case, very slim profile, but protection is there to protect your phone from taking any damages when accidentally dropped or normal day-to-day usage. There you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. Thanks Tudia for sending these cases out. You have your Tudia Merge case, the Tudia Arch S case for the Moto G6 Play. Links will be in the description below. Please hit the links and cop yourself a case. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.